Jai Hind all of you. I'm Cadet Vishvajeet sonawle from Tatesaheb Kore Military Academy, VarnaNagar. I am in 12th standard. In the period of lockdown due to coronavirus, I am taking tuitions from Ambition Academy Satara. Online lectures are conducted so I can understand each and every concept neatly and systematically with the help of PPT and animations. They are also supporting us by sharing previously recorded lectures, study material, test series, etc. I am happy to be here in front of you to give you information regarding Ambition Academy Satara. Now it's your turn to get benefit from it. Jai Hind. Stay home, stay safe.